fuck it is. It's your fucking boy, Jelowski. You know what I'm saying? What the fuck we looking at, nigga? Oh, so we, you know what I'm saying? We back with another video, you know what I'm saying? A fire vid. But, yo, we almost there to 1,000, y'all. We almost there. You know what I'm saying? We only got like, what? About, you can say about 200. Damn, fucking train. But we almost there, y'all. We about to be at 800. We could be at 800 by the end of the day. Could be tomorrow, you know. You know, could be the next day, you know what I'm saying? Can't really say I'm gonna hit, 800, but whenever we do, I just know we're gonna be 200 less. 200 less? Yeah, we're gonna be 200. Yeah, 200 away from 1,000. And when I hit 1,000, y'all, and I tell you the smile is gonna be on my face, I appreciate y'all for real. But this vid, I plan on doing some truck reviews for this video. I'm gonna try to get my boy Tyler with Tacoma on the 10 to 12 bulletproof lift. That bitch up there. And my boy Isaac, he just put an 8-inch Pro Comp on his shit, so his shit lean. They both leaning, you know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to get some, I'm trying to get a little video on this shit, you know what I'm saying? Get my boy shit out there. I'm pretty sure a bunch of y'all probably know Tyler Barlow already. He got a blue Tacoma or some wides. 26 by 14, that bitch leaning, for real. I mean, y'all should know, because that's the nigga that got pulled over when he was going to BR for that meat. He was the first one to get pulled over. But yeah, this video gonna be about, it's gonna be mainly just truck review, a little vlog and shit like that. But like I said, man, y'all like, comment, and subscribe, bro. Y'all like the video, y'all share my shit, y'all get me to 1,000 subscribers, bro. It's only up from here, y'all. Real shit, you know what I'm saying? We slabbing in the Prius right now. We fucking slabbing and dabbing in the fucking Prius. No fucking shame in my game, cuz fuck that, no tint. But nigga dating his nose and shit. But y'all get me to 1,000 subs, bro. Like for real shit, real G shit. And fuck, you know what I'm saying? I'll fucking I'll show y'all love back. Once we make it up there, I'll show y'all some love back, giveaways and all that shit. For real. But like I said, this J-Lo, I'm out, y'all. Man, what's up, YouTube, bro? You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know who it is. But, bro, yo, I got pulled over, bro. Bro, I got pulled over. Dude pulled me over. Wasn't a state trooper, nothing. Pulled me over for squat. He really got me for my windshield tint, but he said, man, you're squatting your wheels too well. I'm like, bro. He came out to measure. My back end was 39 inches. My front end was 48. Man, when I tell you Louisiana ain't tripping over that shit, nah, bro, Louisiana is tripping over that shit, y'all. But we still leaning, bro. Fuck what they talking about. We still fucking leaning, bro. It don't even really matter. Cause like, bro, you're not gonna tell me that what I can and what I can't do to a vehicle. You know what I'm saying? I might put like a 2-inch block, cause I do want to go higher anyway. So that was my plan. Either way, I was gonna go higher and put a block in the back, cause I don't want to be that much squat. It's where I literally can't see the road. But me, I like the squat, so I'm gonna always squat, lean, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna always do that regardless. So it really don't matter. But yeah, I just want to let y'all know. I'm gonna show y'all the ticket and everything, what he wrote and shit like that. Boy, I hate niggas. And bro, he talked Ed, fat bitch ass. Ooh. Come back and bend his shit, I swear to God. But man, I'm gonna show y'all. I got one clip somebody sent me, but it wasn't long. It was like probably like 3 seconds. And boy, man, today, man, we went in the boat, bro. So cold. Shit about 60 degrees, boy. It's freezing. Bro, quit following me. Blackie. Billiana. I know. Yeah, I hope y'all like the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Almost close to 1,000, y'all. We're 200 subscribers away from 1,000 subs, y'all. I ain't saying we did it, but we gonna do it though, for sure. But you already know who this is, J-Lo. I'm on. I'ma fuck with y'all. Look what type of... You're not going fast enough. Huh? Bro, look at these fools, bro. Look at them. So gang, got my boy Mozzie in the cut, bro. That bitch leaning, y'all. You just got that color match done. You know? Boy, got that first color match on that bitch, y'all. He cut his spring. He ain't even on no lip, y'all. No lip.
Bro, if you lean it that hard, bro, imagine you have your shit just. Nigga, we up, bro. I was living like.
Stop fucking playing, bro. Bitch, you got a Ford. You got a Ford. You got a new body Ford. We old bodies.
I ain't worried about that.
Huh?
Winning, bro. I want to see leaning hard. It was Stilo that posted that picture. I didn't say it or something. My shit looked
All of my fingernails. You gonna be there when we put on the 7?
Bro, I got dirt in my fingernails.
Yeah, bro. Look at my shit,
You gonna
son.
be there when you put my 7 down on?
Yeah,
Huh?
you gonna be there when we put my 7
I'm gonna be there. I ain't gonna be no help.
Ta! No, you remember that nigga can't put no fucking no wheels on. You remember?
I had to put that nigga down. He didn't even know how to take his own wires off my.
You remember that shit, huh?
I said, boss.
So put the puppy down, son.
Put the puppy down.
Put the puppy down, son. You been holding the puppy since you got it, son. Be fucking for real.
It's 3 weeks old.
Oh damn, is that young?
Yes. All right.
You should know how to do this already.
No, I don't.
Huh?
Hold up.
Or you gotta put the lights on. Yep. Oh, there you go. The other side on?
Yeah.
You know, so you know how to do it. You're making mine and all that shit. Tell me what you did to it. Tell me what you are
I
doing.
ain't do nothing to it,
Tell me what you did to it so far.
bro.
Tell me what you
I
are.
did, bro. I did.
And tell me, then tell me what you gonna do to it in the future. You know what I'm saying? And you gotta show them the exhaust too. They don't know the exhaust. They never seen your new truck yet.
Alright, son. Tell me when you're recording.
It's been recorded.
Oh!
Nigga, I'm on a minute already.
Cool. Alright. I ain't do much yet because the dealership kind of running my pockets right
Understandable. That's understandable.
So, I just got the chrome mirrors.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm about to hit up either Zach or Chance. Get that shit color match white.
Yeah, cause he did do his shit, huh?
Yeah, he did Mozzie shit. That shit clean as fuck.
That shit is
Chance
clean.
did his.
Got one little mistake, but we ain't worried about that shit though.
Yeah, I got the two-tone.
You know what I'm
I
saying?
don't know, like 3 other people left here. They got that.
Stop playing with that boy. You know what I'm saying?
Got the lariats on there. The lariat.
The lariat.
Even though it's not a lariat.
It don't matter, but that bitch got that sunroof though.
Oh yeah,
Stop
I got the sunroof. I'll show y'all inside.
Don't mind his girl though, yo.
No, my girl, she fine. Alright. Panoramic in that bitch.
It work now?
No. Fords, bro. I'm not even gonna talk about it, bro.
He bought a new Ford. With the
broken sunroof.
yeah, same.
Alright.
Look at the tips on that bitch though.
Still
Stop
got the
playing with
paper
that
plate
boy.
on that bitch.
Stop playing. That's how you know that bitch brand new, y'all. Oh, I ain't gonna stop.
Yeah.
Stop. Yeah, you good. Yeah. My bad.
Yeah.
Sorry about that, son.
Got 6-inch tips. I just called the muffler.
You gonna cut your cats off?
No, fuck no.
Why, son?
Nah, son, that's too loud. So I remember when Abby did that shit.
Son,
that shit
just
was
do it, son. Do it one day. Have somebody weld it on next day.
Maybe for scraping, maybe.
Oh, bitch, please. Bitch, I choked on the nerd. Stop playing.
Alright. Son, I'm gonna say one thing. Like, if you look at it, this is not even. The nigga and Mr. Muffler, he did a good job, but it was kind of crooked. Like, this one kind of leaned a little bit.
Oh, yeah, I didn't know they had the
see
car wash.
Yeah, like, unless you really look at it, but I
Start
started
that bitch up.
Not too crazy. Sounds good.
Go step on that bitch phone. One time, for the one time. Go step on that bitch phone. Yeah. Nigga, fuck my.
I woke my son up.
Hey, gas expensive, huh?
Huh?
Gas expensive.
Bro, I'm going to Abbeville. Hey, Abbeville at Murphy, Texas, $3 a gallon. Sometimes $2.98. Get right. Get right.
So
Yeah.
what you plan on putting a lift on that bitch though? You gonna lean that bitch like that,
All
bitch?
right, nah, son, I ain't got no money.
Please, you got a Ford, son.
I know, son. I'm probably just going to buy a little 11 kit, a little 3-inch pump. Is that my blood?
Yeah.
Nigga, snap! Yo, that's wild.
That's.
Bro, I had half a blunt, bro. Get back a roach.
Get the fuck.
That nigga do be eating them bitches though.
Yeah, bro.
Chill out. I know your funky face ass ain't talking.
I ain't
I
smart.
know you. Hey. With J-Lo, how many blunts with? Ooh, I like your keys.
Nigga, glittery?
Big girl ass keys. But no. You remember when we gave J-Lo that blunt, bro? J-Lo ran across the parking lot with that bitch?
No. See what happened was I was talking.
Who that is?
Nobody important.
Bro, Taylor didn't even put the camera on.
Nobody important.
Taylor look like,
What the
bro,
fuck?
bro, instead of turning the whole camera to show the truck, this nigga did like this. And he didn't even turn the camera. Nigga was not worth the video.